Hello from Slovenia again. I have some paints that I mixed for that red galaxy flip cup pour, but today I have 12-inch round canvas and I will try to do a kiss pour over this cup bottom, like I did that lotus flower, if someone remember that. So I will just pour a little white on bottom, and then I will go with this thing that it's pyrrole red. I will put the colors into the description box, and Pebeo iridescent precious gold, and alizarian crimson, and some black, and I will add this red again. So I'm layering my cups exactly the same. No switch of colors or anything, just the same. And some black, and just a tiny bit of white. Oop. I will put some black here on the canvas anyway, so don't mind about that. So I will just pour some black for kind of a flow extender in the middle, and put the cup down, and I will pinch my cups just a little bit probably, and now I will do a kiss pour on top. Okay, so this is the first part, and now we will remove the cup and see what we will do next. I will probably do some, lines with my skewer, but first of all I have to see what is underneath, because my black was really thick, stays in the middle. So let's do that. I can still dip some balloon or something in the middle if I have to. Just want to draw some lines first, and I will go on this lines, and I'm just trying to go nicely towards the middle and then tap down my skewer when I am in the middle. And I will do that, and again let's go once more towards the middle, and maybe I will go the other way the next round. I will see. So basically you can do whatever you want, or how can I say, just play. And there is still a lot of black in the middle that it will spread out, so I'm really thinking that I will just dip my glove here in the middle just to have to blow my glove. Let's try just a gentle little touch, not too much, hopefully, because I don't mind some black, but not as much that I had before. So we'll just add a layer of black around, and my paint, it is quite thick, so I don't know, hopefully it will be okay. Let's see the middle. Okay, let's do a spin. Gently at first, because I'm afraid that it will be too much black. And I kind of think that I'm done. I would love to spread a little more those lines out. Okay, and I'm done. Love it. Love it. So this was really quick and easy way for you to do beautiful flower, if you like flowers, of course. It's a little okay, because there was a sun. I really like it, and I like the lines. Hope that you see them. It really looks really three-dimensional, and this gold will be just gorgeous for my taste when it will be dry. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.